Have you ever imagined receiving a message from the cosmos, a signal so unusual that it could change our understanding of the universe? Well, in 1977, scientists detected a mysterious transmission that remains unexplained to this very day. Some call it the closest evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. Others believe it was just a cosmic coincidence. But what really happened? Welcome to today's journey into one of astronomy's greatest enigmas, the most mysterious signal from outer space. The discovery of the wow signal. It all began on the night of the 15th of August 1977. Astronomer Jerry R. Eman was working with Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope, a giant instrument scanning the skies for radio waves. This was part of the SETI project, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, an initiative dedicated to finding signs of life beyond Earth. That night, the telescope picked up an unusually strong, narrowband radio signal, lasting for 72 seconds. It was so remarkable that Eman circled it in red ink on the computer printout and wrote a single word beside it, wow. That name has stuck ever since. Why the signal was so special? Unlike natural cosmic noise, which is usually scattered across different frequencies, this signal appeared in a very precise band of radio waves, around 1420 MHz, the hydrogen line. Why is that important? Because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe, and many scientists believe that if an intelligent civilization wanted to send a universal message, this frequency would be the logical choice. The wow signal was also 30 times stronger than the typical background noise detected by the telescope. It stood out like a flare in the night sky. Attempts to find it again. Naturally, astronomers tried to detect the signal again. For weeks, the telescope was pointed in the same direction of the sky, a region near the constellation Sagittarius, but nothing was ever picked up. Since then, multiple observatories across the world have searched for a repeat, but the signal has never returned. This, once only, nature makes it even more mysterious. Was it a brief cosmic event? Or perhaps a deliberate, one-time broadcast from somewhere out there? Possible explanations. Over the years, scientists have debated numerous possibilities. 1. Extraterrestrial intelligence. The most exciting idea is that it came from an alien civilization trying to communicate. The frequency, the strength, and the clarity all point towards something artificial. 2. Natural phenomena. Some argue it might have been caused by a natural astronomical event, such as a comet releasing hydrogen, or a burst of radio waves from a star. 3. Earthly interference. Another theory suggests it was simply human technology, like a satellite signal bouncing off the atmosphere. But no known Earth-based source matched the characteristics of the signal. So far, none of these theories fully explain the mystery. Why it still matters today. More than 4 decades later, the wow signal remains the strongest candidate for an extraterrestrial message ever detected. It continues to inspire astronomers, writers, and thinkers across the globe. Even today, with modern telescopes like the Allen Telescope Array and projects such as Breakthrough Listen, scientists keep scanning the skies, hoping to capture something similar again. The wow signal reminds us that the universe is vast, full of mysteries, and perhaps we are not as alone as we think. The bigger question, the greatest impact of the wow signal is not the data itself, but the questions it raises. If it was truly a message, then who sent it? Why was it only once? And most importantly, are they still out there waiting for us to respond? The mystery of the wow signal is a reminder of humanity's place in the cosmos, small, curious, and always searching. So, what do you think? Was the wow signal a cosmic accident, or a deliberate call from intelligent life beyond Earth? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your theories. And if you enjoyed exploring this mystery, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more fascinating space stories, and share this video with friends who love cosmic mysteries. Because who knows, the next great signal might be detected tomorrow, and maybe, just maybe, it will change our place in the universe forever.